You mount that in the back.
Yeah.
What do you love this? Like, oh yeah, baby. Get it, bitch.
Oh my.
That wasn't even like fucking. It's my baby 6500, I think.
Holy shit.
It's fucking terrifying, bro. Dirty pig lips here.
Yeah, probably. Holy crap, that was amazing.
That wasn't a good pull. That was a terrifying
Really?
pull. Yeah, that was actually not a good hook.
Oh, it was spinning a bit?
Yeah. You want to try getting in here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't spinning. It was very. The road was very fucking good. Did you feel it?
What? I felt like it was hooking. I didn't notice.
No, it was gripping, but like I felt it in my ass. I'm like, yeah, no, we're not fucking. Let some air out of the tires. Good way more.
Yeah.
Say, yo, if you stall it, you're not driving this.
Good to go. What the hell? What was it in?
That's third. That's fourth. Up.
That's it? That's first?
One, yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Fuck!
I told you!
I
told you!
Now I know where your grabs were.
Should have recorded that. I would have sent it to all
I
the
did, it's
people.
recording.
No, I would have sent it to all the. You stole it again!
I didn't move the clutch. I didn't do anything. Why did it stall?
I know, because you have to cough it out, because it's.
So what do I have to do now? Just
start it. No, just you don't have to put the clutch in.
okay. No clutch. Okay.
Start. Gas. Cough it out. Yeah. Should be good now.
Will it idle on its own?
Yeah, it should idle now. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Fucking hell, dog.
It's a workout, eh?
Ah, okay. Hold on. Okay, hold on. There's a trick to it. I think I get it. Okay, hold on. Cause like when you start going, it's like still on it. It's still not like. I think I understand. You think it's good to go?
Yeah, but
it's not. So you gotta hold it there for a little longer. I think I got this. Look at it right now.
Keep going. Remember, it's the same thing. It's really high up.
Yeah.
So you're gonna think like you're letting off. Don't bang gears.
Oh yeah, I'm not trying to fucking send gears and shit.
No, don't. You will bang them.
Okay.
When you change gears, just go.
Kind of hesitated a little.
Yeah, you just have to. It's just how you drive it, right?
Okay.
That's what I mean. Don't bang it.
Okay.
Fucks at the rear diff. Give it.
Oh my god, bro! Holy shit!
Give it like $4 grand, I think.
Oh yo, I didn't put a seatbelt on. What?
We'll go home.
Huh?
No, let's go home.
Okay. Fuck me, bro! That was incredible.
Second.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
It's not too bad, yeah. That was insane. Holy shit, bro.
It's all dirt,
Just
right?
feeding into it slightly, and it's like just
it's
wants to fly.
It's all dirt here.
Yeah. I don't want to counter it too much because then obviously like it might get a little twitchy, right?
It'll die.
I'd rather just let it go a little bit the way it wants to go and find its way, right?
Yeah. No, this road here is really shit.
Okay.
All the farmers.
Yeah. Bro, I'm barely treading into the throttle. Like maybe like a centimeter into the throttle is what I'm working with.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god. That's the most incredible thing I've ever driven. Oh fuck, here we go. Bang, sure.
Get out.
Yeah?
Yeah, get out.
Go cookie. Shit, yo, that's a tricky clutch, man.
Me looking at him like,
yeah. He's on his phone. He has his phone in his hand. That's insane.
See, like the fear is in here.
Yeah.
In your G, it won't be as scary.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot more like, oh, okay, fine.
Yeah, like yo, like I mean, like no, but yo, you could feel the way it's in second gear. It's absolutely mental. Like the way it's pulling. Holy shit. But I like that. I want to be like afraid of my car. I don't care how fast it is. I just want to be fucking afraid of it. Yeah. You know? You drive like the newer cars and they don't give you that feeling. They just you sit there, you plant your foot and you're flying. You don't get that like, you know, like, oh my god, this is fucking a monster I'm driving in my hand. Bro, that was the most incredible feeling.
Yeah, I think you should include that. Like, fuck up. It'll be hilarious.
I'll probably include it. That was the most incredible driving.
That he was there too.
Bro, that was the most incredible driving fucking feeling I've ever had. Unbelievable. Shit. Well, hope you guys enjoy that one.